10 o'clock. Fiending for the guap, I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, be impatient with my buzz. Yeah, you can't rock with us, I can't rock fitters. I don't cap with them, I see fake on them. The eyes look fake on them, the fuck.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different ethereal makeup look for you guys. So like I got inspired by some of my Instagram feeds, so yeah, let's just get right into it because I have multiple videos to film. So first I'm going to be taking my all-time fave, my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. So yeah. That I'm baking, I'm just going to show you guys that I'm going to be taking from the Carly Bible palette, Bible, or however you say her name. Anyway, I'm going to be taking this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that all the powder is dusted off of our face, I'm taking from Mandala, that shade right here. Always prime your eyelids before you're going in, because that's how the makeup stays on. That's why. If it wasn't for primer, I don't think a lot of makeup would be staying on your eyes. highlighting my face. And since this is a ethereal look, you're gonna have to highlight a lot. Okay guys, that's it for this video. That was my little ethereal look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's really very different for me to film this type of look, but I have fun with it. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys did like it. If you guys want to follow this or whatever you guys want to do, just go ahead and tell me and leave me a like and a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.